Hello guys, today token is iBuffer token. iBuffer token is decentralized token and iBuffer token is anti-pump and dump token. iBuffer token is anti-whale token and iBuffer token is 100% community driven token. iBuffer token is transparent token. All token trades are visible and checkable. Buffer is a non-custodial on-chain peer-to-pool options trading protocol that works just like an automated market maker, where trader can create, buy and settle options against a liquidity pool without the need of a counterpart. Buffer mission is to make option trading accessible to everyone in a simplified and more efficient way. Buffer is a gamified options trading platform that empowers anyone around the world to buy and settle options on multiple assets directly against a liquidity pool. And iBuffer have bi-directional pools, customizable non-KYC platform and non-counterparty. All options are created against a liquidity pool. And products: first is customizable options, buy call options or put options. Prediction game: participating in prediction games by predicting BNB price movement and place your bet directly against a liquidity pool. Insurance: coming soon, buy insurance on your BNB holding, protect yourself from sudden price fluctuation. iBuffer ecosystem: first is buy iBuffer token, second is become a liquidity provider, third is buy customizable options, fourth is participating in predictions games, fifth is buy insurance. iBuffer advantage: first advantage is non-custodial, second is bi-directional liquidity pools, third is trustless, fourth is American style options, customizable, zero liquidity risk, non-censorship, yield farming, and final is diversification for the liquidity providers. iBuffer chart and statistic: price is $0.101610, BTC is 0.5% high, BNB is 0.4% high, low price is $0.090527, price change in 24 hours, that means high price is $0.105750, trading volume in 24 hours around $1.3 million, and fully diluted valuation is $10 million. Total supply is 100 million iBFR coin and maximum supply is also 100 million iBFR token. iBuffer blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. Website is buffer.finance. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. And this is chart of iBuffer. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing. iBuffer tokenomics: this is tokenomics. Token utility: revenue share, stake IBR to receive a constant stream of passive income. Liquidity mining: earn yield by staking iBFR in LP pair tokens. Third is deflationary, milestone based buyback and manual burns. Fourth is governance: Q1 2022 roadmap, all feature release will be governed by iBFR token holders. Fifth is discount: holders iBFR tokens and get a discount over the settlement fee required to place a bid in BNB price prediction game. Specification: total supply is 100 million, symbol is iBFR, decimal is 18, token type is BEP20, network is Binance Smart Chain, contract address is TEG, date be announced. Market caps: seed sale $0.012, market cap is $1.2 million, IDO $0.05, $5 million, IDO listing $0.075, $7.5 million. iBuffer roadmap. This is roadmap. Q1 2021 market research, idea, conceptualization, team building and hiring. Q2 2021 airdrop campaign, IBFR token, locking and vesting, IBFR seed sale, leaderboard announcement, incentivized testnet release, partnerships. Q3 2021 public sale IDO, prediction market Tencent release, AMM listing, IBFR staking, CMC and CoinGecko listing, mainnet launch. Q4 2021 buyback and burn plan release, continuous DAO setup, governance release, option strategy builder, WETH and WBTC options release, expansion and Polygon avalanche, insurance pool setup. iBuffer BSC scan decimal is 18. This is contract address. Total supply is 100 million IBFR token. Holders is 1504. Transfer is 15,040. These are recent transaction detail. And this is iBuffer Twitter account. Total followers is 11.3k. We can join iBuffer Twitter account for latest update. iBuffer Telegram group. Total members is 7,356. We can join iBuffer Telegram group for latest update. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. Thanks for watching.